Hello guys, what's up? I'm Suresh Designer. I hope you'll be fine and good. Today I'm going to talk about how we can model some type of decorational table in SketchUp. So before we start this important tutorial, like and subscribe, please don't forget it, and let's go. So for the starter, I'm going to use the rectangle as always. So my rectangle is something about, for example, 100 to the 60, something like that. And now I want to extrude it a little bit, something about, for example, 2 centimeter. Another offset to the inside about 3 centimeter. And now I'm going to extrude it again about 1.6 centimeter. So this is our table's face, and we wanna add some type of holders for it. But for this reason, I'm gonna use some little bit extrusion for this face. So I'm gonna increase it to the 1.4 like this, and now I think it's good. So I'm gonna convert it to the group, and now I'm gonna draw some other rectangle for this place, something like that one, for example. Alright, now this is the some type of neoclassic table, so I want to create some type of small profile for it. I'm going to use tape measure in here. Our complete height is about 3 centimeter. I want to add 1 and 1, and for this place about 1 again, and it's good. So now I want to add some lines like that and delete these extra lines in here. So I'm going to delete these tape measures, and now I'm going to draw this rectangle in here, delete it, select it, unselect it, and follow it. Very simple and easy. So in this place you can remove this part of the drawing like that, very simple, and you can adjust this part of the drawings too. So for this reason I think it's good, and now I want to click on it and convert it to the group in here. So now time for the holders. For creating the holders of the table, I can use tape measure option in here and draw some tapes on it about 4 centimeter from each sides, and I'm going to continue this job to the end. Now we have 4 centimeter offset from each sides in here. Now I want to draw some circles on these intersection points with 1 centimeter radius. Select it, convert it to the make component, and create it. And now I want to take some copy of it in this place, and the important point is that I'm going to right click on it and flip it to the red direction. And now I want to select these and move it to this place, but now I want to right click on it and convert it to the green direction flip line. Now it's good. So now I want to select it, form it, and extrude it, something like that, about series 6 for example. Now I only want to select these type of edges in here. So I'm gonna click it like that. But in this type of thing, as you can see, this face, this edge, and this face will select again. So I'm gonna click on it and left click on my screen, hold it from the left to right like that. Now only our face and edge in here will select it. So when I want to click on the move option and move it in other directions, I can move it very simple and easy, as you can see. So I'm going to select it like that and use scale option in here and rescale my holders about 0.76, 0.76 again, 0.76, and another 0.76. Alright, now as you can see, this is the model in here. I'm going to delete these tape measures in here, and now I want to convert it to the unique group and flip it along the blue axis. As you can see, this is our table in here. So I can adjust some type of lines in this place. So I'm gonna use offset option, offset for the 6 centimeter, and I don't want to extrude it back, so I want to bevel it. For the bevel job in SketchUp, you must select your face, click on the move option, press Alt on your keyboard, and move it on the blue axis or any axis as you want. So I want to bevel it for 2 centimeter. So this is our job. As you can see, it's really good, but our holders have some distance between the real surface. For this reason, I'm gonna add another offset for it, about 3 centimeter, and now I want to bevel it like that. Alright, now it's much better than the past. So I'm gonna click on the main face, I'm gonna select it, click on the paint bucket option in here, and I want to add some type of stone material for it. So I'm going to use the stone vein gray, something like that, or marble. I think marble is good, like this. And you can adjust your material in here. So I'm gonna change my material and texture, substance and sizes. I'm gonna add 26 maybe, or 37, like this. The color is good. I can make it much brighter, so I can increase this RGB codes in here to near it to the 255. Alright, now it's good. And for other places, I can use another type of stone vein in here, about this color temperature, something like this. You can make it much brighter, as you can see, very simple. And you can change the size of the stones to the 22 or 26. And about the holders, I'm gonna add some woody holders for it. So I open one of them, I come to the wood, I want to choose wood cherry and select it to all of it. And I'm changing the texture size from 182 to the 46, for example. Now it's much better. Actually, we need the color, and if you add some color, it's not important. The result is the same in here, and I think everything is done. So in this profile, I can click on the sample paint and use the stone vein for it. As you can see, this is our simple 3D model in SketchUp. You can adjust your styles in here. Open the in-model styles, and I want to turn off the model axis, and I want to reduce the profile's thickness, something like that. I want to change my background, so I have some white background in here, something like this, and I'm going to refresh it, and this is our 3D model in here. So sometimes you need to add some type of animation for it. So for example, I want to zoom on it, open the paint bucket in here, and now I want to click on the scene option. I want to add my first scene. Now I want to add my another scene, another, move my camera, another, another one, and the last one, something like that. So when I click on the SM1 and I right click on it and I press play animation, as you can see, we create some type of simple animation with this model in here. It's really useful in your jobs, and you can export it in different resolutions. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, please don't forget it. and goodbye.